Welcome back to 100 Day of DevOps Practical Learning. This is day 5, and today we are going to learn about script execution permission on Linux server. Let's jump right in. First, connect to Linux server using direct terminal or any remote server to using SSH. I already connected my Amazon Linux server using SSH. First, create any scripting file on our system. So let's check any file available or not. I think here two file already. I now use this file. I newly create a file for this video. You can using any text editor tools like Nano, Vim, Vi, etc. I using Vim. So let's Vim. I using normal regular user, that's why I using sudo Vim hello dot ss dot sh. This is my script file. Hit enter, and I just input a simple one line code to check this tutorial. I just back in insert mode, press keyboard I and see the insert mode, and some scripting rules I input hash exclamatory sign slash bin slash bash, and enter echo double quote hello DevOps learner scripting, just script execution permissions permission test. And back to command mode and save the file, clone wq and hit enter. I check the file permission ls hyphen l, and this is my new file and this is my old file. You just check the permission is owner read and write, no anyone get the execution permission means X. That's why I can run the file. You will see the permission deny output. Let's try without permission any script file which 0 is showing. Dot means current directory slash hello dot sh. See the exact output is permission deny. So if you can run any execute file need to permission execute. Now I add the execute permission on my hello.ssh file. chmod I using sudo for super user permission. chmod change modify plus xmin execution to all user group and others users. I just this permission to anyone run the scripting file and show the file. I just change modification to execution permission in this file. Hit enter and you can check again the permission apply or not. You see the color is changed also, and all three things get the execution permission. In this time I can run easily my execution file. So let's try run again after the execute permission dot slash hello dot ssh and see the our output when I input to create the file. And this time it's work. And that's for day 5 of our 100 days of DevOps series. We learn how to create a script and set permission and run them securely on Linux server. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe more DevOps series. Let's see you in day 6. Okay, bye everyone.